In Marrakech, there is only one official tourist bus called City Tour Marrakech. This company offers a fleet of 4 double-decker red buses. With their open upper deck, these buses will make you enjoy the fascinating views of the marvelous city Marrakech. Each bus of this fleet has a door for people with wheelchair. And for better enjoy your trip, while using these buses, you have to know some information about these buses. Firstly, all people have to enter by the front door and jump out from the rear. Secondly, these buses have 2 sets of stairs that link the 2 levels. The front one is for going up and the rear is for going down. Thirdly, once you hop on, a staff will give you a brochure with a map of the city and other information about the bus stops. Also, you will get a free access to the Wi-Fi connection, and you will be able to have an explanation along the road with an audio guide using 8 languages, which are Arabic, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, German, and Japanese. And if the weather turns bad, the staff will cover the upper deck with the sliding roof. So don't worry, you will enjoy your trip in all the cases.